Yeah, amazing. That takes us back to kind of the America's Cup principle, these foiling boats, and that will be very exciting at the Olympics.
It will. Right. Guess who's here? Alina Jenkins is back.
My twice-yearly visit.
It's like for one night only.
It is. Yeah. It's always a pleasure to come back.
It's lovely to see you.
It's almost like being on holiday. And actually, I bring news of better weather than last weekend. Because, of course, you remember, Sunday chucked it down with rain, so we've got a drier weekend. And a mainly dry day today, actually. Linda Neal says that summer returned to Netley in Hampshire this morning.
Leslie Maxwell captured, well, that's a very quiet-looking Chesil Beach, isn't it, in Dorset?
And with the tranquil theme, here's Iworth Pond, just outside Fritham in the New Forest, thanks to Ray Dittrich.
Yes, cast our minds back to last weekend where we saw a lot of rain on Sunday. This weekend is looking quieter. Like today, there's going to be quite large amounts of cloud coming and going. We can't rule out the odd spot of rain, but a fine day here in Basingstoke. Our weather watcher Snow Crystal's capturing that picture there. And really for the weekend, it's more of the same. Often cloudy and quite breezy as well, particularly along the coast. But aside from the odd spot of rain for parts of Oxfordshire on Sunday, it will be mainly dry and feeling quite warm and humid, increasingly so. So through this evening, we've got this mixture of variable cloud and clear spells, which we then keep overnight. Last night, of course, we saw temperatures down to 6 or 7 Celsius in places, so it is a much warmer night. Temperatures in places not getting much lower than 14 or 15 Celsius. Still a noticeable breeze, which we'll keep tomorrow. But let's look at the bigger picture for the weekends. Here in the south, we're close to this area of high pressure. Different story further north, and this area here is the remnants of what was subtropical storm Ernesto. It's going to increase the humidity, bring some outbreaks of rain and stronger winds further north. Not for us. And actually tomorrow, it's a quiet day. Once again, this mixture of bright or sunny spells. There will be quite large amounts of cloud coming and going, but it will stay dry. The best of the sunshine probably through the afternoon. A noticeable breeze, particularly along the coast, becoming quite gusty at times, and a cooler feel here. Head inland, we'll see temperatures getting up to 22 or 23 Celsius. If you're heading out on the water, we've got west or southwesterly winds, force 4 or 5, could just touch a force 6. The visibility will be good, and the sea state slight or moderate. So through the early hours of Sunday morning, probably like to see more cloud increasing, but again, it stays dry. But another warm and muggy night with temperatures in the centre of town, not much lower than 15 or 16 Celsius. But Sunday looks likely to be the cloudier day of the weekend. You can see that cloud increasing from the west, and through the afternoon, just a chance we could see some outbreaks of rain for parts of Oxfordshire and Wiltshire, but most will stay dry, a few bright or sunny spells, and again this warm and humid feel with temperatures getting up to 22 or 23 Celsius. So for the outlook, if you're looking for any more rain, no sign of it in this forecast. A lot of dry weather as we go through next week, often quite cloudy. The breeze starts to ease down and it'll feel quite warm and humid still. Back to you, Sally.